Hi, is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click on the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for new uploads. Hi. My name is Moskarn Creations. This tutorial is about how to import SketchUp model to Lumion. First, open your SketchUp model. Then go to File, Export, and select 3D Model. In Save As type, select Collada File or .de. Click Export. Now, open Lumion. Select Imports, Import New Model, choose Collada File or .de, select Exported File from SketchUp and click on Open. Click on Check to add to library. Congratulations! You successfully imported a model in Lumion. Please comment below what made you interested on this video. If you have question, inquiry, or request, just leave a message. Please hit the like button and subscribe button to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching.